Hello children, welcome to Sanvi Naveen channel. This is lesson from grade 4. The lesson name is Patthar Ka Patthar. Patthar means what? The rock. The big stone. Can you see here? Patthar Ka Patthar. So that is what the chapter name is. Okay, so let's start children. एक नदी के, please open your textbook grade 4 children. Please open your Hindi textbook. Take out page number 74. 74. Okay, so let's start. I hope so everyone is ready with the textbook. एक नदी के किनारे चितपुर नाम का गांव था. एक नदी के किनारे there was a village named Chitpur on the bank of a river. Bank of a river means side of the river, end of the river, edge of the river. Okay. एक बार नदी में बाढ़ आई. बाढ़ means the flood. बाढ़ means what children? Flood. Once the river flooded. When it stopped, बाढ़ थमने पर when it stopped, गांव का ही एक लड़का राजू नदी किनारे गया. So once the river flooded, when it stopped, a boy from the village named Raju went to the banks of the river, went to the rivers, beside of the river, edge of the river. Okay, there you can see here one big rock is there, right? So the starting of the story is this one. So let's start the story children. His name is Raju. What's his name? Raju. अरे यहाँ चट्टान यहाँ कहाँ से आई? यहाँ तो हूबहू गणेश जैसी दिखाई दे रही है. अरे यहाँ चट्टान मीन्स द बिग रॉक. यहाँ कहाँ से आई? यहाँ तो हूबहू गणेश जैसी दिखाई दे रही है. हे, वेयर डिड द रॉक कम फ्रॉम? हियर. It looks exactly like the Lord Ganesha. So the Raju is thinking this rock looks like Lord Ganesha. So everyone's have the different sight, right? Everyone's have the different thinking, right? Correct, right? So this Raju is thinking like that. Next. मैं गांव में, again Raju only thinking children. मैं गांव में सबको बताऊंगा कि गणेश हमारी रक्षा के लिए स्वयं प्रकट हुए हैं. मैं गांव मीन्स विलेज. सबको बताऊंगा. I will tell to all कि गणेश हमारी रक्षा के लिए, रक्षा मीन्स protect. So Lord Ganesha himself has appeared to protect us. So Raju is thinking like that. Okay. हमारी रक्षा means protect. Prakat means appeared. Swayam means himself. Okay. So what it means? I will tell everyone in the village that Lord Ganesha himself has appeared to protect us. Raju गांव की ओर भागा. Raju ran towards the village. Next. तभी एक मूर्तिकार चेतन वहां आया. So the boy name is Raju. This person name is Chetan. Chetan is a Murtikar. Murtikar means the sculptor who will do all the models, who will do all the what we can say the statues and all. Children, for them will call it as a sculptor. Murtikar. वाह, कितना सुंदर और चमकीला पत्थर है. कितना सुंदर और चमकीला पत्थर है. सुंदर means beautiful. चमकीला means shining. So wow, what a beautiful and shining stone. मेरी अगली कलाकृति के लिए एकदम सही है. जरा छेनी और हथौड़ी ले आऊं. मेरी अगली कलाकृति के लिए एकदम सही है. It means what children? Perfect for my next artwork. Perfect for my next artwork. कलाकृति means artwork. एकदम सही है means perfect. अगली means the upcoming statue. This is a perfect rock for my upcoming statue. So Chetan is thinking like that. जरा छेनी और हथौड़ी ले आऊं. जरा छेनी और हथौड़ी ले आऊं. Chisel and hammer. I will just get a chisel and hammer to make the statue. What and all they will use, children? The chisel and the hammer for that. Okay, for the sculptor. Okay, next. मूर्तिकार अपनी छेनी हथौड़ी लाने घर की ओर लौटा. So the sculptor returns home to fetch his chisel and hammer. After this, first Raju story, then Chetan is finished. Next, मूर्तिकार के जाते ही वहां एक व्यापारी आया. व्यापारी means what? The businessman you can take or merchant you can take. Okay, so one व्यापारी came over there, one businessman came over there. वहां आराम करने के लिए कितनी बढ़िया चट्टान है, अपने मित्रों को भी इसके बारे में बताऊंगा. सो वाह, आराम करने के लिए कितनी बढ़िया चट्टान है. आराम मीन्स टू रिलैक्स. So whenever the children whenever in the villages and all, what will happen, no children? They will go for the business or they will go for anything to buy or sell, no children. They will just come across any like this rock and all. Just they will sit for some time. Then they will move there to their destinations or the source where they want to go. Okay, like that they will do in the villages, especially in the businessman and the Vyapari. Obviously, we can, if we are going somewhere from Bangalore, we'll just relax for some times. No, we'll just stop our car. We'll just relax for some times. We'll drink tea, like that happening, like that only in this village. Just he is relaxing. So he's thinking, oh, this is very good for relaxing. Let me tell to my friends also. आराम करने के लिए कितनी बढ़िया चट्टान है. What a wonderful rock to rest on. अपने मित्रों मीन्स फ्रेंड्स, अपने मित्रों को भी इसके बारे में बताऊंगा. I will tell my friends about it too, about this. Okay, about this rock. कुछ देर सुस्ताने के बाद व्यापारी भी चला गया. After some times, after some relaxation, he also went. Next. Next children, page number 75. उसी समय घुड़सवार सैनिक आया. उसी समय घुड़सवार सैनिक आया. It means that time the soldier came. The घुड़सवार came. The घुड़सवार, the soldier. घुड़सवार means who will go on the horse. That one for them he will call it as a घुड़सवार सैनिक. Soldier means only Sainik. घुड़सवार Sainik means who will sit on the horse and will do the fighting. No, for them we'll call it as a घुड़सवार Sainik. So after some times घुड़सवार सैनिक आया. अरे इतना बड़ा पत्थर. अरे इतना बड़ा पत्थर. Oh, such a big stone. पत्थर means stone, children. चट्टान means rock, children. Please do remember. यह तो सेना के रास्ते में रुकावट डालेगा. So the soldiers, what they will do? They will fight, right? The soldiers, what they will do, children? They will fight for, right? So यह तो सेना के रास्ते में रुकावट डालेगा. So he is thinking, the soldier is thinking, here it will obstruct the path of the army. When the fighting will start, that time it will obstruct, it will stop, it will, like what we can say, so it will stop that, it will obstruct, right? Next, इसके बारे में मुझे कमांडर को बताना चाहिए. कमांडर means what? Commander, the leader, right? For them they will call it as a commander. इसके बारे में, okay, I have to tell to this to commander about this. So this घुड़सवार is thinking. Next, कमांडर को सूचना देने के लिए सैनिक कैंप की ओर दौड़ा. So where the soldiers will be, they will go to village, they will go to countries where they want, they will go by state by state, right? Wherever they will go, they will just use the camp, right? Where they can stay there. कमांडर को सूचना देने के लिए सैनिक कैंप की ओर दौड़ा. The soldier ran towards the camp to inform the commander. कुछ घंटे बाद भालू धोबी कपड़ों की पोटली लिए नदी के किनारे आया. Now one more person, children. Who is he? Dhobi. Dhobi means who? Washerman. Who will wash our clothes, no children? For them we'll call it as a washerman. Dhobi. कुछ घंटे बाद, after some hours, घंटा means hour. कुछ घंटे बाद भोलू, the name is, this person name is भोलू. धोबी कपड़ों की पोटली लिए नदी के किनारे आया. Potli means what, children? Where they will keep all the clothes and they will do the one knot, no, that full will call it as a potli. So this washerman bought one potli with all the cloths to wash it. Next, यहाँ इतनी भीड़ क्यों है? So यहाँ इतनी भीड़ क्यों है? भीड़ means crowd. So he is thinking, why is it so crowded here? Why is it so crowded here? So he is a dhobi, children. Who is he? He is a dhobi. So his name is Bholu. Next. So now you can see here what they are telling, what they are doing. So यहाँ चट्टान गणेश के समान है, हम गांव वाले इसकी पूजा करेंगे. So Raju is telling this rock is looks like a Lord Ganesha, so we will worship this god, we will worship this rock, we will do puja here. Next, so this मूर्तिकार is telling, नहीं नहीं, no no, इस चट्टान से मैं एक कलाकृति बनाऊंगा. With this rock I will make one artwork, I will make one statue. So this मूर्तिकार is telling Chetan, Raju, right? Next, इस पर मैं और मेरे जैसे राहगीर आराम करेंगे. So this he is telling. So what he is telling? No, me and passerby means or traveler. Okay, like me, they will rest on it. He is telling like that. Next, so this soldier is telling, नहीं, कमांडर ने मुझे इसे यहाँ से हटाने का आदेश दिया है. So the soldier is telling, no, commander has ordered me to remove it from here. He is telling. Yes, I said right, all the person, the way will be thinking will be the different, right? Correct, right? We are not same. All fingers are also not same. Correct, right? Next. Page number 76, children. आप लोग बेकार झगड़ रहे हैं. झगड़ means fighting. Simply, you all are fighting. So, this washerman is telling, simply you all guys are fighting. यहाँ पत्थर तो वर्षों से नहीं है, यही है. यहाँ पत्थर, this rock, तो वर्षों से, from so many years, this rock, this stone is here only. पहले इसका बड़ा हिस्सा मिट्टी में दबा हुआ था. So the first, so बड़ा हिस्सा, the big part, but the big part of the stone, it was hiding in the soil, it was stuck in the soil. बाढ़ मिट्टी को बहा ले गई, सो वही पत्थर अब चट्टान जितना दिखाई दे रहा है. Because of the flood, that flood came all over the soil, right, from the stone. So that's why now it's looking like a rock for you. This stone is from so many years. Okay, so this washerman is telling, we used to wash here clothes. This stone is from so many years. Because of the flood, so all the flood, all the water, the mud is going, it will go, right? Now you can see that stone as a rock here. That's it. He is telling like that. Next. हम इस पर कपड़े धोते थे. We were washing clothes on it. We were washing clothes on it, on this stone. इससे नदी का जल प्रदूषित हो रहा था. Because we are washing the clothes here, so because of this, water is getting polluted. Okay, जल प्रदूषित. प्रदूषित means polluted. जल means water. अब नई जगह धोबी घाट बना दिया गया है. Now they have done a new place for the washermans. Now they have done new place for the washermans. It means there we have to wash the clothes, not here. Because obviously children, if they will wash in the river or in the pond, obviously the water will get polluted. It will flow to another, it will join with the another rivers. Obviously we will get like that also diseases, right? So that's why we should not wash the clothes wherever that pond will be there, the rivers will be there. There we should not wash the clothes, correct? अब नई जगह means the new place they have gave for us to wash the clothes. धोबी की बात सुनकर सब लोग मुंह लटका कर वापस चले गए. So when they heard this man's, these all talking, so मुंह लटका कर सब लोग means all. मुंह लटका कर, मुंह means the face, लटका कर means they were very sad. because all they having different thinking and different what and all they thought, no children. So it was all wrong, right? मुंह लटकाकर वापस चले गए. So they were very sad and just they went back. संदेश, संदेश means the message. What we are getting from this chapter? नदी में कपड़े धोने भी जल प्रदूषण का कारण है. नदी, river, कपड़े, the cloth, धोना, washing, that is also, it's a reason for the jal pradushan, water pollution. So that's why we should not wash our clothes over there. Yes, that is about this chapter, children. The chapter name is, what is the chapter name? The chapter name is Patthar Ka Patthar. Okay, so this is all about this chapter, children. Please like, share, support and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye, children.